Hello everyone, Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. As we were talking with in the previous video, we were talking about stages, like those three stages. We're gonna demonstrate it in this video. We know we have a working directory as the first stage, staging area as the second, and commits as the third while you're working in your local machine. So right now here we have Android Studio open. We don't have Git uh, uh, initialized. So what we do to have Git, you do just Git init, and once you see this one, that Git at at the end, it means Git is initialized. So you can see even uh, uh, below right here, you can see Git now is appearing, and also you have this one here that we're gonna put it down here. It shows how the commits and the flow works. So right now you can see we have a bunch of file. All of these files in right here are inside the working uh, area, working directory. And if we want just to move them to staging area, we can go here inside our command line. I wanna close this one and open a new one so that you can see I need just to do git add, and that means add all. That's all both works. Git git add, that's I think they updated. So when we're gonna check here the commits, everything turns to be green, from red to green. So when it's green like this, it means it's now in the staging area. And if we want to make a commit, let's say we're here in this file, let's just commit this one first. We're gonna select it, or I can just go to the command line, it's better. I can just do git commit m -m message first commit, and enter. And if I go here in the commits, everything is gonna be gone, and then I don't have anything anymore in here. This is just a GUI user interface that shows us what's happening. So, and let's go back again to the terminal. So if you want to check if how your working directory is, you can just do git status. It helps us to see the status of our working directory. So it looks like it's a nothing to commit, working tree clean. It means this is good, and it's telling us actually where we are on branch, which branch we have. It's the master branch right here, and you can see in the bottom here it says master. So let's do something. Let's create a file in here. Let's do create a file. Let's do create a file, and then you're gonna see what's happened. Let's create just a Kotlin file. Let's say uh, first file. So I wanna cancel it, and if we go there, you can see right here is red. And if we do like a git status, and it's telling us the file here right now is in the working directory. So if we do git add and we copy the path of this file, we put in here, and then it's gonna put in the staging area. To check it, we can just do git status, and then now you can see it changed from red to green. Now right here, it's now in the staging area. You can see here it's like they are saying to unstage it, to remove, to take it back to unstage it. They are giving us a comment: git restore stage and the file path to unstage. So let's try to do that, and we're gonna take it back to the working directory. So we're gonna take this path and put it there and enter. So now it should be back in the working directory. If we do git status, and you see now it's in red. So to stage it, as you can see, they're saying git add and file. This is pretty much the file path to include it in what will be committed. It means included in the what will be committed. It's not committed yet, but what will be committed. So it's like you're putting in the staging area. So we can copy just this comment, git add, we put here, and we copy, as we did before, the path of the file, and enter. If we do git status to check, it states now is on the staging area. And now to commit what you're gonna do, you have to do git commit -m. We do add first file, and you close your quotation. It means what you want. Commit means you want to save a snapshot, or to have a commit point, to say to have a to save a version of what you have. And we put just enter, and right now you can see it's saying one file change, file insertion. So if we do git status, we won't see anything anymore because it's saved. It's just saying nothing to commit, working tree is clean. So pretty much this is the operation what we do. And to make sure, like just it's in the tree, you can go to git here, and you can see our tree. The first one was like first commit, and the second one is add file. And there is another way to see in the command line. You can just do git log. It tells you what commits you have. So you can see in here first commit, which is this is the reference that I was talking, and is first commit here, and reference is in here. This is the reference of the commit, the number, and the message of the commit is in bottom at first file. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.